Let's take a look at this challenging question of trigo. Find the exact value of sine 22.5 degrees. Now, if you are viewing my video from Singapore, you should know that our calculator will not allow us to find the exact value, and therefore, this is a question for Singapore. So sine 22.5, notice that the angle is 22.5 degree. Now, in our syllabus, the special angles are 30 degree, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. The one that related to 22.5 degree would be 45, and by multiplication of 2. So I know that if I take 22.5 as A, and 45 degrees would then be 2A. So that reminds me of double angle formula. So double angle formula, for example, sine 2A is equals to 2 sine A cos A. Now bear in mind that you are letting 22.5 degrees to be A. So if I have 2 sine 22.5 degree cos 22.5 degree, I will be stuck because not only that I have to find out sine 22.5 degrees, I also do not know cos 22.5 degrees. So I will not be choosing this formula on double angle. Let's move on to another double angle formula. For example, I will have 2 cos square A minus 1. Similarly, my objective is to find out sine 22.5 degrees. In this double angle formula, there is no sine trigo. So I will give this up. I'll move on to, how about cos square A minus sine square A? If my A is 22.5, I would then again have another unknown of cos square 22.5 to choose to find. So I will not choose this double angle formula. And I have one last one, which is 1 minus 2 sine square A, which is equivalent to cos 2A. And now this is the best option. Let me explain to you why. If 2A is 45 degree, A here is 22.5, and that's just nice for me. So I have 1 minus 2 sine square A to be equals to cos 2A. Let's try to make sine square A the subject. So with that, I'll be having 1 minus cos 2A equals to 2 sine square A. Divide by 2 on both sides, making sine square A the subject. So I'll have 1 minus cos 2A over 2. Square root both sides by making sine A. So I'll have plus minus square root of 1 minus cos 2A over 2. And now, when I use this, I will be having plus minus square root of 1 minus cos 45 degrees, since A is 22.5. 2A here will then be 45 degrees over 2. Now, do we actually need the plus minus sign? The answer is no. The reason is because 22.5 is a quadrant 1 angle, which is acute angle. Acute angle is always positive. So therefore, I don't need the plus minus sign. Now, for 45 degree is one of the special angle. Cos 45 degree is root 2 over 2. So therefore, now to simplify these 3 layers of fraction, I can multiply 2 on the numerator and denominator, and at the same time, you can think of expanding it. Okay, so you will have square root 2 minus root 2 over 4. Now 4 is a perfect square. It works perfectly well in your square root. So therefore, you will have numerator 2 minus square root 2 trapped in your big square root over 2. And this is my final answer.